All right, so in this one, I'm going to talk about prop firms and funded accounts. Like I said in the previous one, this is just a way to accelerate the amount of money you're managing and overall the profits you're making. But if you do not know how to trade and don't know proper risk to reward management, and you're more or less gambling and not trading, then you're honestly just going to lose money on this. So there is really no point unless you already know how to trade effectively. So FTMO is pretty much like the standard across all the prop firms. They're like the first ones. They're probably like the most trusted as well. They have the most standard rules, etc. when it comes to prop firms. But pretty much what a prop firm is you pay. If you go down here, you can pay like 155 pounds to challenge their their accounts, pretty much. Um, so you have 30 days to make, I think it's 10% of your account, whichever one you choose. You can choose 10,000 to 200,000. So you have 30 days to make 10% of your account without going in 5% drawdown or losing 10% of the account. And if you're able to do that, then you move on to the second stage, which is the verification, which is pretty much the same thing. It doubles in time, and instead of having to make 10%, you have to make 5% with the same drawdown rules, pretty much without losing 5% or 10% daily, and then maximum loss as well. And then once that happens, you pretty much are rewarded with the capital that you were challenging. So in this case, it's 10,000, and there's no trading period at all. There's no minimum trading days. You still have the max loss, max daily loss, which is sort of shitty, but it's okay. And then obviously you keep 80% of the profits with FTMO. And then if you're able to make like, I think it's 3% over the course of 2 months, 2 out of 3 months, I think you scale up to 90% profit splits. Yeah, it is 90% because that's what I got. So you scale up to 90% profit splits, and then also you're able to scale up the account as well. So let's say you challenge the $200,000 account, you pass the challenge verification, now you're funded. Um, they give you 25% of your initial capital every 3 months if you're able to be profitable out of the 2 to 3 months for like 3%, I think. Now, obviously, how much do they cost? I think this one's like $2,000 or something, like £1,000 for to challenge the $200,000 account. Which obviously, if you don't know proper risk management in terms of your maximum loss and daily loss, you're just gonna fail the account and lose your fund, lose your like initial sign up fee. So that's why I say if you don't already know how to trade and manage risk, you're just going to lose money doing this. But if you know how to and you're patient and you're already profitable, you can make a lot of money. Actually, they just posted something saying that they have a new highest profit split payout, which was $400,000 over the course of like 1 month of trading, I think. So that's insane. And this business model is definitely going to be around for a long time, and it's just going to get better. There's prop firms coming up a lot. There's a lot of ones that I've used. I've had a funded account with FTMO, the funded trader. Um, I had one that was actually a scam, and then they sort of screwed everybody over. And also the 5%ers are really good as well. And then there's also other old ones that have been around for a long time. But yeah, don't worry about this if you're just starting out because you're just going to lose money. But once you learn, this is a good way to build up capital fast and to overall make a lot of money. And I think that's it, honestly. What else can I say about them? I personally don't like FTMO anymore just because there's a lot better options in them, in my opinion. But yeah, just you can do your own research about them.